Alright, getting into it now. I've been out here since 11 with my team leader. This is what we're up to. A lot going on, a lot left to do. So at the moment what I'm doing is what I call cross pushing, because the slope goes that way and I'm pushing across. Pretty simple. We've got all these snowmaking piles dotted down the slope because there's these lances here. Yeah, sort of all the way down. They make piles next to them and then we've got to push them where we need it. So it's sort of the bulking stage, I guess. I have enough snow on my left. I'm just going to use probably half this pile on my left and then the rest of it needs to go on this side. Got the GPS here, which tells us how deep the snow level is. So for example here, it's 50 millimeters under the blade and 57 under the tracks. So it goes blue when it's sort of over a meter, I think it is. 30 is red. Anything below 30 is going to be red. So the idea is to try and get it all blue. Green's not bad, but blue is preferable because that gives us something that's going to last a long time. But yeah, there's heaps to go up there. We've got to winch that section up there, probably winch that whole thing actually, and we'll probably winch the top of this as well because it gets quite steep. But at the moment I'm not sitting on a huge angle. What are we on?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 degrees the way I'm sitting.
Jag har telefonen, så jag ska kolla där. Ja, jag tänkte bara på den där.
Rather than trying to cut with the ground level on the same slope as the ground level, I try and sort of cut little benches on my way down, and then at the end you can go through and carve it and make it look tidy. But the machine works more efficiently the flatter it is, so I try and use the pile to my advantage as I'm going. It's not always possible, but it is in this situation, so I may as well make the most of it. And you can get big bladefuls like that and throw it where you need it. Good fun.